for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh.
Alright, so I'm all dressed. Got my little baby hair swoop, just put my braids up in a bun, put a little bit of makeup on. I got this dress on. I got my Yeezys on. Super just comfy. We're actually about to go eat brunch. Just super spur of the moment. I woke up, had a migraine, didn't feel like cooking, but I need some food. Super just comfy, relaxed, but just chic-ish, kinda. Alrighty, so outfit of the day, not complete without a fragrance. This part of the video is going to be sponsored by Dossier. So thank you so much, Dossier, for sponsoring today's video. Today's fragrance, y'all, it's a good one for real. Dossier's Oriental Oakmoss. So this is going to be inspired by Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. Y'all, this is another one of my favorites, all-time favorites from Dossier. Dossier, they're basically a company that offers luxury-inspired fragrances for a fraction of the price. So some of your favorite niche-type fragrances, they basically offer them for a fraction of the price. So this one, like I said, it is a Chanel-inspired fragrance. The smell on this is so amazing. Another great thing with Dossier is they have this program where the more you buy, the more you save. It's basically just like it sounds. You buy more, you save more. So it's kind of like, you know, more for your bang, basically. Another thing with Dossier is your purchases are basically risk-free. So you buy your bottle, you can try your bottle. If you don't like it, you can absolutely send it back and you can get your money back. This was a blind selection for me, but I did read the reviews before selecting it, and I'm so glad that I did select this one because, like I said, it is another one of my favorites. So if you are interested in starting your fragrance collection or just adding to it or just basically checking out what fragrances they offer, they were so kind to provide me with a discount code that you can use on your order. It will apply to your entire order. It does not have to be the specific one that I'm showing you guys today. They do offer men's fragrances, women's fragrances, and unisex fragrances. So I know I'm always sharing with you guys all different types of fragrances from Dossier. This one today is going to be a women's fragrance, but be sure to check them out. They have so many. They're constantly adding to all of the fragrances that they offer. And be sure to check the description box and use my discount code to save you money. Again, thank you, Dossier, for sponsoring today's video. Now excuse Barkley.
She only want to talk when you talking.
She's singing.
Yeah, she only want to do stuff when you doing stuff.
Mama.
You want to be on camera?
But we're going to Ikea. We'll see y'all when we get there.
I don't remember it being that bad.
We used to listen to it on the radio, so
yeah,
excuse us.
Sorry.
Sorry.
That is not cute.
That's about
Berkeley even frowned up. What y'all listening to?
Like, day out. We went by HEB because I'm going to be making some chili today. We just got a few things. We got some Lunchables. I had to get some more of these kolaches because I went to the other HEB and, well, another HEB, and they didn't have any there, so I just had to go to another HEB and I got some more. So the cream cheese kolaches from Kolache Ross be bussin'. Babe, can you bring my glasses that we got from Ikea? We went to Ikea and Babe could not find his hangers, y'all. They were completely out of like all of the wooden hangers, so they have them in black, just like the natural wood, and then I think white maybe, but they didn't have any of them at all. So I got some more of this crab meat because I absolutely love my sushi in a bowl little recipe thing or whatever. That's so delicious. So I wanted to make that the other day, but I didn't have any crab meat, so I was just like, ugh. But I got this some ground chuck for chili, and then just ground beef. I got this 2-alarm chili kit. It just comes with like a whole bunch of seasoning packs, I think. And I got
the little fake plant.
Oh, Babe bought an artificial plant. I bought these because I told you guys that I wanted to start making my coffee in like glasses. So these were really cute. And I think they were only like $3 or something. Oh, I got the little ones. I should have opened it. What am I supposed to do with this, y'all? What am I supposed to do with this? Brad, look at there. Look at there. Look what word you found. Look at there.
Mama, stop.
Look at there.
Mama.
Oh, look at there. Look at there.
Stick in your cheek, pulling tricks, looking slick at all times when I'm flipping. Bar sipping, car dipping, Redwood grain gripping. Still tipping on rapping, and no hacking, and no hacking. Blowing on that endo, GameCube, Nintendo. 5% tint, so you can't see up in my window. These niggas don't understand me, cause I'm boss out on candy. Top down at Maxis with a big Glock 9 handy. Pieced up, creased up, stand dressed to impress. Big bounce, belt buckle under my Michelin S. Oh, put your shades up on my braids when I escalade. When I'm riding spree wheel sliding like an escapade. I got it made, the big boss of the North. Ain't shit changed, I still represent with your house.
Okay, y'all, so the food is done. This is how my cornbread came out. It's already cut out of because Babe is already over there stuffing his face. The chili came out delicious as well, correct?
Good job.
So this is the third thing that I've cooked out of the cookbook, and I just want to get this on camera because Babe said that he's going to find him something to cook out of the cookbook now. Right? Right? Okay. So I just wanted to make sure you guys heard that, and I have that on camera because he said it, y'all.
I wish it was like 30 degrees outside.
It is so good, y'all. Yeah, it's not even cold weather here. I'm about to go to my It's 72 degrees, but it is rainy and gloomy, so.
Put the air on 65.
Taste this chili. I'm gonna say hi. The pretty hair. It's so pretty, right? Go look in the mirror. Oh, look at Berkeley's hair. That's so pretty. I just want to show y'all some realness. You know, we keep it real life on BossMomPo channel. Look at all those clothes just piling up behind me, y'all. So I did laundry over the past 2 days with the intentions, you know, of doing laundry, putting it up, doing all of that, along with taking all of my Christmas decor down. I currently have 3 trees up. I have table decor, I have entry table decor, but that has not happened because I have been down with a migraine, y'all. So, or I may be able to knock it out today, but I do plan on taking my Christmas decor down because we are mid-January at this point, and in order for me to really assess exactly what rooms I want to be tackling for the new year as far as decorating, I need the space to be clear and empty. For example, like my console table, I actually bought that during the holidays, so I actually don't even have any decor to put on that once I take the Christmas decor off of there. So that's going to be one thing I'm going to have to decorate off, you know, off jump. So yeah, that's just what's going on. I've really just been lagging around the house for the past 2 days because I've woken up with a migraine. I don't know if it has anything to do with me just kind of like cutting back on my carbs, because I've been doing that as well, just kind of, you know, watching my carbs more closely. Also, we started doing meatless Mondays, and then it also carried into meatless Tuesdays. So we did 2 days so far this week of meatless days, and then we do not do carbs after 6 o'clock. So I don't know if that's contributing to my headaches or what, but I do know, like, once you have a drastic change in your carb intake, you'll have something that's called like the keto flu or the Atkins flu or whatever, just until your body adjusts to the drastic decrease in carbs. So I don't know, like I said, I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I'm really feeling it.
Why you playing all about games? What's this? Why you playing games? What's this? Why you playing all about games? What's this? Why you playing games? What's this? Why you playing all about games? What's this? Why you playing games? What's this? Why you playing all about games? What's this? Why you playing games? What's this? Used to think that, used to think that, used to think that, used to think that.
Alrighty, so Dallas got a soccer goal for Christmas. We're still like gathering Christmas gifts. Oh, it's super wet over here. So I'm about to put this together. Hopefully, I can do this without babe. So Berkeley got this cute little piano dresser vanity for Christmas. So we're about to open. This is gonna be super cute because Berkeley, she is always in my makeup, at my vanity, messing with my hair products, just all in my stuff. So she has her own little thing, so this will be super cute. Let this up.
You can play good.
Blow dryer. Turn the blow dryer on. Do your hair, mama. Show me how you do your hair. Oh yeah. Alright, so we just got an espresso machine in. Babe, is this one that you were familiar with, or you just saw it? What? You've been doing research about this one or not?
No, it was just a good deal on it, girl.
So an update about us looking for our espresso machine. Somebody had actually recommended the spin, so we looked into it. Babe actually loved it. He felt very, confident in it providing what we were looking for. I said I wanted something that was aesthetically appealing to the eye on my actual countertop, and then he wanted something for like an espresso machine. So we love this. Well, he loved the spin. He actually did order the spin, y'all. Apparently it's on back order, or it just takes a very long time for it to come. When we actually did place the order, it didn't even give us like an estimated delivery date or anything like that. So we don't even know exactly how long it'll take for us to get it. In the meantime, he ran across this one and it was like on sale, so he's trying it. It is not, what I had in mind as far as the look of it, but we're just gonna see exactly how it is. This one, you do have to have beans, so he did go buy some coffee beans to test it out. So we'll see exactly like if it's user-friendly, if it's convenient, because my whole thing is I do not want coffee to start feeling like a task. Like, it shouldn't take a whole bunch to go into making coffee. So that was just one of my concerns. So we'll see exactly how it goes. It doesn't look terrible. It's big, but it ain't like humongous and clunky. Yeah, that's gonna take some time. So once we get it set up, we'll come back and show you guys. But this is how it looks straight out of the box. Just right there. So we have to read some instructions and all of that to set it up, and we'll be back. Okay, select your beverage.
So that line needs, that stuff needs to be up to that
No,
line?
you need to take this off, remember?
I'm talking about it needs to be up to that line?
I don't know, babe. No, I don't know what line it's talking about, but it's not all the way up to there. There's no line in here.
I think that's the line.
Where?
This line in here where it's not up to it.
No, because it's not all the way up there. Look.
That's the top, ain't it?
This.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, press OK to start brewing.
I guess we'll do 2 temperature. Now do what?
Press OK to start brewing. Single espresso. Did you got it on single or double? We'll deliver approximately. Okay. That's a lot of work for just that.
Little espresso shot. Now what?
That's it. Mama, you ate all your bacon already? Oh, it's all gone? So this is the game room's refresh. Berkeley had one more Christmas gift that we had to open. This is it. It's like a TP tent. You like it, Mama? Is it so cool? Yeah. So I basically just moved pretty much all of her things on this wall over here. And then I just put the table over here. So everything still flows pretty well. Finally got all the Christmas stuff down, so it's really looking like a true playroom. So Berkeley, yeah, she has her little area over here. Dallas, this is mainly his area right here, the couch, because he just wants to play the PlayStation. But table here for homework, chalkboard right there. So this is it in the game room. Clearly they're enjoying it. You can use this little blanket, Dallas. Dallas thinks that the tent is for him as well. Got all of the stuff off of the table like I showed you guys earlier. So this is the decor that I end up settling on for the table right here. These vases, I've just been moving them around everywhere. They've been in my office, on the coffee table, just everywhere. So, and then I really didn't know like what to do with this area because I got this table during Christmas time. So decorated for Christmas was the first time I actually decorated this console. So for right now, I just have it with this vase. This has been a floating vase as well. It's just been everywhere. I got this bowl with some beads in there and these candlesticks with the candles. I just want to get some books to put on here. I think maybe to lift this up or to actually replace it with some stuff on top of the books. So yeah, this is how it's looking. Santa's gone. And then I was able to take all of the kids' trees in of their room as well. So that's it. No more Christmas. Time to focus on what we're gonna do to fill these spaces now as far as decor. Until next time, guys. Bye.